Okay, doing the review on the shower stool here, and I can tell you this does swivel, but when you sit on it, you can see you put some weight on it, it doesn't swivel as easy. I mean, it doesn't, like, it's not like it's spinning. So if someone sits on there, you don't have to worry about them spinning off of it. Yeah, it is light, super lightweight. You see, I'm a little over 100 pounds. And I can just pick that up easily, no problem. The underneath, this is nice. The holes, of course, for the water to drain through. But if you have to set something like I'm thinking, body scrubs and stuff like that, that way they can drain off nicely and easily. The legs are they're aluminum, and there's a lot of adjustment here. So, I mean, this can be adjusted even down lower and lower and lower. What I did notice, the only thing that I can say that was kind of difficult was putting it together. I'll tell you right now, after putting it together, this thing will not come apart on anybody. These here, going in right here, these were extremely difficult. Some of these were extremely difficult to get all the way down in until the little button popped out so that it was put into place. This part right here, the little tray, I've got it sitting upside down now. You can see. You have to watch when you get these little metal things going in here so that it will go in for you. And then you have to really put your foot on it to make sure they're seated. You can see that they're seated down in nice, there. Otherwise, I tell you, this is extremely sturdy, but I love that it's lightweight. Works good. Works real good.
This is a very good stool. Definitely a good product. It's very lightweight, so no person can pick it up quite easily. It snaps together. Every piece goes together without any tools. It slide in and click. And it goes together so snug that it is never going to fall apart. It's solid, well made. Good features. The seat spins around. That's really handy when you're in the bathtub, sitting down. I like this little tray underneath with good drainage to put your soap, your shampoo, whatever. The feet stick nicely to the tub, although I do recommend a bath mat for safety reasons anyway. But I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a good little product.
This has a revolving or spinning top. It doesn't spin. I mean, once I sit on it, I can barely get it to turn. Any weight holds, it just stays in place. This is not at all as advertised.